Handling our HVAC is James Bouchard. Hello, my friend.
Hey, Rich, how are you?
Good. Why don't you take us through the basics of a mini duct system?
Sure. So the mini duct system utilizes 7-inch or equivalent pipe, and it's a high-pressure, high-velocity system that moves a large volume of air through high pressure. And you can fit these ducts pretty much anywhere you need. Perfect example, we can fit it inside of a stud wall, in the joists.
So that could be the entire supply for this upstairs
Exactly.
here
Yep.
versus the conventional.
Right, and the thing is, though, is they've made some improvements in the equipment, but it really comes down to a proper install to make this really a quiet system.
That's
Exactly.
what James does so well.
And that's where the sound attenuators come in place. So these sound attenuators have a spun woven cloth inside, and this is what keeps the system nice and quiet and imperative for a proper installation.
And a conventional system works by diffuse and throw, right? It lets the air fall in gently into the room, and then so if it's hot air, and the cool air will drop. But this system is aspiration, right?
Exactly, and the aspiration is nice because it's basically, you get a stream of air that comes down and it'll mix through the entire room. So floor to ceiling, side by side, everywhere, you're gonna have equal distribution throughout the entire room.
Right.
And on top of that, you don't need a return in every single room. You can use one return for the entire system.
Awesome.
And that saves us a lot of work on our end, too.
Not having to box everything in.
Exactly.
All right, so we ready to get rolling?
Yep, let's get it done.
All right, let's start in the closet downstairs. All right, so you can see our oval is now up here from the basement. What we're going to do is actually transition from oval back to round, and that'll allow us to come over here with 7-inch round, tie it into the T. And when we do that, we fundamentally provided the spine to the system, the main supply. Now we just have to drill in the takeoffs. Now these sound attenuators are insulated, but the inside connection is only about 2 inches, and it makes to these takeoffs right here. So just show that. That's why we drill a 2-inch hole. So you're good to go, Mike?
Good to go.
Good. So we need to get our first attenuator from the starting point right here through this old roof, over this LVL, and run it out to the outside wall right here. So now we're just going to cut away some of that old roof. All right, so here's our first of 10 attenuators in this floor. Now they're going to be left up in the ceiling. We'll cut a hole, but at finish, it's just a finish plate like this, clips into here, and that's what the look is. The rules are pretty simple for the placing these things. They can come out of the ceiling, they can come out of the floor, they can come out of the high sidewall. They just can't blow on people. All right, so we're perfect. So 1 down, 9 to go. Let's keep moving.
Let's get it done.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.